So you want to know if this whole be your own bank with life insurance thing is for real or if it's just a big scam. I get it. You're skeptical. You have reason to be. Why? Because we're talking about two financial things that people probably hate the most. One is permanent life insurance, and the other one is pairing it with debt, borrowing against it. So you're like, I've heard both of these things are bad, and now you're telling me to do both. This is crazy. I get it. It sounds ridiculous, but it actually works. And case in point, what we're going to discuss in this video are how banks themselves, major corporations, iconic entrepreneurs, famous people that you probably have heard of in the sports world, all doing this on a big scale. Did they just get scammed by some slick insurance agent? No. There's actually some substance and weight to it. And you might say, well, they're all bigger, richer than me, so it doesn't apply to me. Guess what? They're doing it for the same reasons you would want to do it. One is they want a safe and predictable yield while still maintaining liquidity on those safe assets, as well as some tax benefits.